Hey guys, Camilla here, and I'm with Denial. She's so cute. She just got a bath, so she smells beautifully. But I thought I would show you something now that I have not been making so many videos lately. I have been in and out of hospitals, so I'm really sorry. And now they're finally listening to what I say, so let's hope they know what they're doing now. But I thought I would show you some plushies and a little figurines and something I have in my living room. So let's go. And maybe my movies and everything, because they stand together. So I have all these if it wants to focus. There. And I have these. And if you can see it because of the light, there. And here's my Ichigo Kurosaki from Bleach mask I got from a friend. He knows who he is. And movies. I have all the collections of Ranma. I love that show. I almost have all of the books, but they're pretty hard to get in Denmark. I have Gundam and Naruto and Bakugan, Yu-Gi-Oh! GX, and this I got from the same friend. And these two are my boyfriends. They just lie here to look pretty. And he has two real Kuranais. They're pretty neat. Then I have these movies. And Yoshi! I got him at GameStop. Come on, focus. They don't want to focus. Stupid phone. There. Open Star Razors. And a lot of turtles. Like Pokemon. I love turtles. And Mario and Luigi. They're also from GameStop. Me and my boyfriend's games. And PlayStation. And some in here. And my newest to PlayStation. Oh god, I love it. I'm so looking forward to Revolution. And you can play as Kushina. Oh god. And yeah, thank you, David, for showing it on Facebook. Oh god, I'm so looking forward to it. Then I have Nala and Simba from the Disney store on my I still have one. VHR. And it works. And my boyfriend's Beyblade. Come on. And its little Drasil. Then I have this Rainbow Dash from McDonald's. And my boyfriend has Reshiram. And we've just got a new Xbox, and I'm playing Guitar Hero 3. It's an awesome, awesome, awesome game. This is the Little Mermaid 1 and 2. As you can see. Now get in there. There. And I got a Mass Effect. And Mighty Morphin Power Rangers. Oh god. And also from GameStop, Ezio. He's so cute. Then I have these two. Troll Mom and Daddy. With two babies. I got them from my mother-in-law. And a little more Disney. And Pirate of the Caribbean. It's 1, 2, and 3. And I have the 4th movie there. And I have a little troll here. And I have Witch and Wings. Ooh, I love it. And most of these are just really old Danish movies, but I love them. I love Disney movie. Danish movie. And we have a lot of movies. And the Stormtrooper also from GameStop. I got him from my boyfriend and he named him Phil. If you have seen one of the clips in Star Wars, one of the Stormtroopers, Jack, one of the helmets, that's Phil. And Godzilla, I love Godzilla. And one of the most awesome movies to date, if you can see it, Back to the Future. Oh, I love Back to the Future. And also from GameStop, Boba Fett. And my Barbie. I love them. And some Danish movies and some Blu-rays. Lord of the Rings, and Darth Maul is taking a nap. And that's a Smurf. And there are Grandpa and Smurfette and Clumsy Smurf. Yeah, guys. That are all my figurines. I'm not that... Oh, I can show you my boyfriend's figurines if you can see them. He collects Warhammer and War Machines and everything that. These are the new ones. And he painted them in hand. I think it's crazy. Look, if you can see it. It's lava. And it actually looks like it. They are beautiful, but I can't paint that. He called them chickens. I don't know why. I didn't ask him. But he called them chickens. And these are the new war machines. And they are beautiful. And some he just found because of his dad was moving. So a lot of old stuff he hadn't painted or wasn't proud of, but I just want to show you. And I think these are a Warhammer 40,000, I think. Something like that. But I love the big ones. They are pretty amazing. But you have to glue them together and everything, blah, blah, blah. It's beautiful when he does it, but I can't do it. I simply can't do it. But yeah, guys. That is that. And I hope you'll stay tuned for more videos. And I'm sorry again for not uploading a video for so long. But hope there will be more videos soon. I'm waiting a package. So I hope I will get it very, very soon. It promised it would be here today, but I'm not sure. So, thank you guys. Rate, comment, and subscribe. And see you next time. Bye.